Imagine having over 2,600 square feet graciously spread out over a duplex floor plan high in the sky. This is Penthouse 2104 here at the Royal Buckingham. Expansive views, sophisticated interior finishes, and even a wood-burning fireplace. This is the ultimate in luxury high-rise living here in Fort Lee. I'm Nelson Chen. Be sure to come check out your next home with us. And until then, take a look around.